Namaste everyone. Today is 7th July and there is a very important circular from CBSE regarding deletion of chapters or regarding change in syllabus for your 2020-21 examination. Here I am going to discuss mathematics subject. For other subjects you can refer CBSE website. So you can log in to cbseacademic.nic.in. There you will find all the changes which are made for other subjects also. So let us start with mathematics. Your first chapter is relations and functions. Now in this chapter, relations and functions, composite functions and inverse of a function. Now composite function and inverse of a function, these two topics are excluded for academic year 2020-21. An inverse trigonometric function, graph of inverse trigonometric function and elementary properties of inverse trigonometric function. So these two topics are now excluded. From unit 2 algebra, in matrices, existence of non-zero matrices whose product is the zero matrix. So we have seen one topic, or there is one topic in which product of two matrices is 0. So that concept is now excluded. Concept of elementary row and column operations. So now you do not have to worry about column and row operations. And proof of uniqueness of inverse if it exists. So this topic, that is, this is a proof, and this proof is also excluded. From topic determinant, properties of determinant is now excluded, and consistency, inconsistency and number of solutions of system of linear equation by example, this is excluded. So most of the portion from determinant is now excluded. What is there for that? You can visit the website. In calculus from continuity and differentiability, now Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem without proof and their geometric interpretation. So this topic is now excluded. And from application of derivative, rate of change of bodies and use of derivative in approximation, this topic is also excluded. If we check integrals or integration, their integration of type square root of ax square plus bx plus c is now excluded, and ax plus b square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, okay, and definite integral as a limit of sum. So a very small portion from this integrals is excluded. From application of integrals, area between any of the two above said curves. So area between any of the two above said curves, that means if the curve is of this form which we are discussed here, if they are in this form, then their areas are excluded. From differential equation, formation of differential equation whose general solution is given. So general solution is given and you have to form differential equation, that topic is now excluded. And solution of linear differential equation of the type dx upon dy plus px equal to q, where p and q are the functions of y or constant. So a very small portion from this differential equation is now excluded. From vector and three-dimensional geometry, from vector, scalar triple product of vector is now excluded. From three-dimensional geometry, angle between two lines, angle between two planes and angle between a line and a plane, this is now excluded. So this is the topic which is excluded from three-dimensional geometry. From linear programming, mathematical formulation of LP problems. So mathematical formulation means we have to convert the word equation in a mathematical form. So that part is excluded. And unbounded solutions are also excluded. From probability, mean and variance of random variable, binomial probability distribution. So these two topics are now excluded. So these are the topics which are now excluded from your syllabus. around 30 to 35% syllabus is now excluded from your syllabus. So accordingly, now you have to prepare. Okay, many of the topics you have already finished, so just again go through those topics and see what are the topics which you have done but now they are excluded, and for the topics which now you have to cover or which still you have not seen, then for those topics, whenever you start any fresh chapter, just see what portions are deleted now, and accordingly you prepare for your exam. I hope this information is useful for you. Thank you.